Hello, in this video I want to show you how to reduce lag in Valorant. To do this, there's two different options I'm gonna show you, and the first one is to click on your gear icon in the top right corner of the screen, open the settings and enter general. Here scroll down and now there's a network buffering option. And if you have a stable internet connection so that your router is connected to your PC using an Ethernet cable, I would suggest to go for a minimum right here. And if you're experiencing lag, then go for the maximum. Also, you can experiment with those settings, so just adjust them to your liking. And the next thing is to click on play. Then, for example, we're gonna play some deathmatch, and you can hover over the ping right here and pick the best server. In this case, it's Warsaw for me. You can check anything else, but just go for the most valuable one, like with less MS ping. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.